thirsty and I'm so hungry, but guess what? I'm not in the mood for any food. Just gonna go and get a fruit smoothie from Central Wrap. Let's go see what they have and check it out. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. Yeah. I'm gonna have some smoothie. That's what they have. Okay. So these are some of the options that they have. As you can see, there's a wide variety of different punches. Mega punch, blueberry punch, granola punch, mango pine, fruit pack, fruit smoothies, detox smoothies, slim trim blend, energizer blend, island vibes. Alright. Get to my order. Hello? One strawberry I want here. What smoothie are you making? Fruit punch? What I always like about this location is that the smoothie is always nice and the customer service always turn up. But I notice now they're doing other stuff. They're doing tuna wraps and sandwiches. I guess something additional to the menu. Let's see what the chef has to say. Good day, sir.
Good day.
What's up?
I'm okay. What about you?
I'm good, you know. I want to grab a smoothie today, but I noticed you're doing something else. You're doing tuna wraps also.
Yeah, man.
Oh, cool. So can you give me an idea what you do here?
Tuna wrap and tuna fry.
Yeah? Along with your smoothies? Okay. How long are you doing this?
Long time from now, right?
Yeah, I know you were located across the road.
From all of them nowadays.
Yeah? Oh. Okay.
You just see you come and look for me, so I address you.
I guess he's adding the final touch now. So guys, as you can see, this is the location. My god, man, the sun is so hot. Trust me, this smoothie really going to cool me down. This is exactly what I need. I can't wait on this. Ciao. So this is a regular customer. How long you buying smoothie from this gentleman?
It's been a while.
And you love it?
This is really good.
And you always coming back, don't it?
Yes, man. Always for more. We have a lot of things here. You know, them really good.
Okay, alright.
Alright.
So here you have a well satisfied customer.
You do.
Alright. What's your name again?
I'm Miss Nurse Clark.
Nurse Clark?
Yeah.
Me and your family now. So if you're on the road and hungry lick you and you want something simple, something easy, something light, just grab a smoothie or grab one of these rolls. They're very delicious, I can tell you. people already. Yes.
Oh.
Everybody come here and see you. When me post him. Everybody go see your hand them. I said, whose hands are those? I said, whose hands are those?
Father.
Ah. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you for watching.